Good morning, Four Seasons Hotel.
Yeah, hi. I've got a complaint.
Yes, sir?
I'm in room 11, right?
Yes.
And I just want to make a complaint about the lady in room 11.
Okay.
Can I just explain this to you, please?
Sure.
I'm trying to get some sleep here, all right? And this woman is snoring off the door handles.
Certainly.
Let me just put the phone close to the wall, where it's coming from. Okay, just listen. Can you hear that? Can you hear that?
Yes, sir, I can.
Hey, tell me, would you be able to sleep through that?
I probably wouldn't, sir.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, I can't help you, but may I connect you to the manager? They'll be able to help you.
In fact, no, just connect me to her room, please. I'll call her on this.
Certainly, one moment. Hello?
Hi, Miss Cowen. I'm calling you from the front desk.
Mm-hmm. What can I do for you?
Excuse me?
What can I do for you?
I'm so sorry to disturb you, but it just seems that the reason for this call is because you are disturbing a neighbor, room 11.
Disturbing it? I'm fast asleep.
Ma'am, the call has come in from 11, and the man has complained that, in fact, you are snoring.
Are you serious?
Yeah, ma'am, he said that you are snoring and he can't sleep. So he just put in a courtesy call to me and he asked me if I could just give you a call.
Okay, sure. Okay, that's...
Okay, thank you, Miss Cowen.
Okay,
Okay, bye. 25 minutes later.
Oh, no, shame, man.
Hello?
Good morning, Four Seasons Hotel.
Sam County, 11, please.
Sunny, thank you. Hello?
Hi, Miss...
Hello?
Hi, Miss Cowen.
Yes?
Sorry, but you started again.
This is ridiculous. There's no way he could possibly hear me through these walls. You
Ma'am...
don't want to call me personally. I mean, I just can't believe that he can actually hear snoring through these walls.
Ma'am, I'm just following up on a complaint, and it's my duty to see it through. Could you...
Well, could you not, in a nice way, tell him to take a chill pill? I mean, I've just gone back to sleep.
Yeah, well, that's why he asked me to call you. But you know what? Just if you can just keep it down, that'll be great, okay?
Okay.
Night.
Thank you. All right, goodbye.
Bye. 30 minutes later.
No.
Lost one.
No.
Good morning, Four Seasons Hotel.
Hi, 1101 Samantha Cowen again, please.
Thank you.
Oh. Bleep. Damn.
Hello.
Hi, Miss Cowen.
No, look, this is getting ridiculous. I haven't even been back to sleep yet.
Oh, Miss Cowen.
Put some earplugs in or put a pillow over his head. Maybe keep it over his head for several minutes, actually.
Miss Cowen, it's been half an hour, and it's kicked up again. He says it sounds like power tools.
See, now, you see, now I know he's making it up because I haven't been back to sleep because I've been lying here tossing and turning and trying to work out. He is just trying to cause trouble.
Ma'am,
This must be the first time ever. I can't believe anyone has ever actually woken somebody else up 3 times because they say that somebody else is snoring.
Well, this is the first time that we've ever had such a snorer in our hotel.
Well, excuse me?
Would you be able to sleep in the bathroom?